Hello everyone. So today in Excel tutorial video we are going to learn and understand XMATCH function in Excel with different examples. Okay. So let's understand the first the data. What says the data? So here you can see on my screen the data is the first column is the serial number, product ID, okay, and the product name. Third column is keyboard, mouse, laptop, bag, charger, and the category is the electronic, stationery, accessories. I can see the accessories and home. Okay, and next is the price and stock. Okay, so you can see and you can check the any space. So there you can check space. Otherwise, the you will get the error when you analyze the data. Okay, so check it out. The if any requirement data cleaning. Okay, all right. So this is our data. Now, if you heard about the match function, what says match function basically the find the position in array. Match function, if you forget to equal match function. Match function here you can see, and what says the return relative position of an item in array. Okay, so simply select this, and here are the three parameters: lookup value, lookup array, and match type. So lookup value, what is here? Lookup value, I want to search, yeah, I wanted to find the laptop, double quotation, comma, lookup array. So this is the laptop is the product. Okay, so we need to select this column. So you can select the entire column. Okay, simply for back control back space, comma. Here you can see the less than, exact match, and greater than. If you have, you are trying to find the number. Okay, so that time less than greater than works. Otherwise, we have the text, so we use exact match. Okay, so close parenthesis and hit enter. And here we can see the three. What is three? Three is position. Okay, so simply this is the position. What position of laptop? Okay, so laptop here we check one, two, and three. Okay, so this is the match function. Now let's talk about the X match function. Here you can see the XMATCH function. One moment, I think I spelling is wrong. Match. I'm talking about the XMatch function. This is the XMatch is the advanced, like the XLOOKUP. Okay, so XMatch function working the same with like the match, but the XMatch give the our the some extra features like the searching from your data from and you can use the wildcards and exact approximate match you can find with xmatch function. Let's understand the how we can use. So here we use equal xmatch. You can see xmatch. By the way, I'm using the OneDrive Live. Okay, so little bit different the Microsoft Office 365. Don't worry. Okay, so laptop. This is the lookup value, comma, lookup array. So you can select the entire column if you want. So easy. Okay, comma. Here, what you want? Exact match. So I select this. If I the comma here, so you can see the another thing. You can search the first to last, you can last to first, you can search. You can ascending order, descending order, you can sort. Okay, so you can do. So I don't need the first and last here at this moment. So simply I type the 0, exact match, close parenthesis and hit enter and see. 4. Why it says 4? Because here you can see the in formula bar I select the entire column. That's why it show 4. And when I click here, So you can see the I select the range. Okay, that's why it says 3. So here one, 2, 3, 4. Right? So this is the 4. If I select from the keyboard 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay, so this is the XMatch function. Alright, let's another practice. Search from end. So I want to I want to find the XMatch function. With XMatch function equal lookup value here I take from the double quotation the notebook. I want to find notebook comma lookup array. So I select this entire column comma. I want to the exact match. Okay, comma. Now here I was says the I we need to search the last to first. So we have the options. Okay, first to last and last to first. So I select the minus one, close parenthesis and hit enter. So here you can see the six. So let's check it out. The one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here your question is the we are select the last to first. So you are supposing the from the here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So it should be 16, right? Right? This is the your question, right? So X message doesn't work like this. If you want to find the exact position, so you can do with the count a function. Okay, so you can find the exact the position of the notebook. I show you how you can use. So equal count a function simply. Okay, and you can select the from the select this range, close sorry, control backspace, close parentheses minus x match function. Okay, lookup value. What is the lookup value over notebook? So here we can type the notebook here in double quotation, comma lookup array. So I select again the lookup array here, control backspace, comma 0, comma minus 1. Here I select this. Okay, close parenthesis plus 1 and hit enter and see. This is the 16th. So with this way you can find, but XMesh doesn't work like this. So it's little misunderstanding. Okay. So okay. So this is the this query. Now let's move the another practice of the XMesh function. So we understand the three examples. Approximate. How to find the approximate? So here we are equal x match function and lookup value is 9000. Okay, comma where is the 9000? So here we can find. Okay, so simply select, yeah, from column. Okay, comma here we want the exact match uh, next larger item. Okay, next larger. So first close parenthesis and hit enter. So 13th. So position is 13th. So 13 is says the Where is the 13? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How says the 13? Something is larger value. Okay. So we select the larger value. So that's why it says. But around. Okay. So here the near around is the tailors. Okay. So this is the our larger value, larger here. So you can find. Okay. So this is the larger value you can find. So approximate work this like this. Okay. Next, wildcard. How to use the wildcard? So equal x match function and select this x match x match. Okay, and I want to find the note. How many times note? So position. Okay, comma, and I select this array where is the note can be possible. So I select this range for back control backspace, comma 0, comma, and here you can see the wildcard character match. So I simply select 2, close parenthesis and hit enter. It says the not applicable because maybe the n is small, maybe possible. Not is what is not sage. Not not applicable. Why says? Okay, I forget this the wildcard because it's asterisk sign. So you guys, so I forget this. That's okay. See here is say the position is the of the note. Here I type the note so we can remember. Okay, so here note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the notebook. Okay, so this is the wildcard. How to use the wildcard? So with this way you can use. Next, XMatch with index function. So category by how you can find. Okay, so here uh, equal. Here we use index. So I want to find the electronics. Okay, get category for the given product name. So index function we use index, and this is the category electronics. So we are trying to find. So I select this category simply. Okay, and for back control backspace, comma, here we use x match function. Lookup value. I want to I want to check the mouse. So lookup value is in double quotation mouse, double quotation, okay, comma, and I where can be possible the mouse. So here in product name. So I select this, okay, and two times specific because the here index and match two functions we use, and hit enter and see this is the electronics. Okay, so we are trying to find the product. So I want to the suppose the pen. So you can simply here you can change the pen and hit enter. Stationary. Okay. So next at X match in index. So we can say the dynamic lookup. Okay. So this is the dynamic lookup. If I change here the pen drive and hit enter, so this is the electronics. So simple. So this is the X match. So we understand the match function, X match function, and little the I understand the misunderstanding here. Okay, so keep remember. Okay, and yeah, so that's about this video. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. Status. See you in next video.